Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add chapters on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Open your YouTube channel, then uploading one video. Going here, go to YouTube Studio, sorry, not here, going here, create, upload a video, select files, any videos uploading here, like this one. Okay, after uploading, here's the description box you'll find, and you have to put your time frame here. There must be 3 timestamps in your list. And the timestamps should start from 0 and okay, you can see here, right, has to be at least 10 seconds. Example, here I can do this, like the timestamp is starting from 0.00 and you have to write here the chapter name here. Then the second timestamp, let's say it start from 2.30, and you have to write here the next chapter name. Okay, and the third thing you can do is 4 minutes or any time. I'm just putting the time for show you. 4.00, next chapter, third chapter, or the next chapter name. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. After that, we have to publish it by next, and just publish it into your video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.